Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the timeless charm of the Kit Cat Klock Gentlemen, the original in classic black. This iconic timepiece, measuring 15.5 inches from ears to tail, has been a staple of American homes since 1932, featuring its signature rolling eyes, wagging tail, and infectious smile. Crafted with a classic and retro style, this clock is perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia to your home office or any room in need of a little whimsy. With its fish-shaped design and striking crimson dial, the Kit Cat Klock is more than just a clock, it's a piece of art that brings joy and character to your space. Proudly made in America by the original manufacturer, this clock runs on 2C batteries, ensuring that its charming antics keep you entertained day in and day out. Whether you're a fan of vintage decor or simply love a good conversation starter, the classic black Kit Cat Klock is a delightful addition to any home. So, why not let this cheerful feline friend bring a smile to your face every time you check the time? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.